Man killed, baby and 6 adults shot in Dunkirk. Man shot dead, girlfriend injured in St. Anne gun attack. Clarendon senior citizen missing since Sunday. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A man was killed on Tuesday afternoon while a 1-year-old boy and 6 other people were shot and injured by gunmen at Michael Manley Market on Pine Street in East Kingston. Up to press time, the murdered man's identity had not been revealed by the police. However, sources stated that the body is of brown complexion, slim built, and about 6 feet long. Police source stated that the man was clad in a blue shorts and a grey t-shirt, appeared to be in his late 30s. The infant and the others who were shot and injured were taken to hospital where they received treatment. The baby was reportedly shot in his left foot. The other people, among them a woman, received injuries to the chest, arms, leg, and buttocks. It is alleged that the victims were at the market located in McIntyre Villa, popularly known as Dunkirk, when a black motor vehicle stopped at the gate. Men armed with handguns and rifles reportedly alighted from the vehicle and opened fire, hitting the victims. A man was shot dead and his girlfriend injured in a gun attack on Tuesday night in Seaview Heights, Prairie St. Anne. The deceased has been identified as 41-year-old security guard Karen Llewellyn, otherwise called Rasta, of Jacks River, Aracabessa, St. Mary. His girlfriend remains hospitalized. More details to come following further investigations. The family of 81-year-old Wilbert Gabidon, a Clarendon man who has been missing since Sunday, is desperately seeking help to find him. His granddaughter, Sharana Gabidon, told the news media that he suffers from Alzheimer's and is partially deaf. She stated that he was last seen in his community of Boghold, Jameshill, walking to the nearby Chocolate District. He was wearing a green long-sleeve shirt, khaki pants, and a pair of brown slippers.